Hello, welcome to the second video, and today we are going to the fabric, okay, and I will do this with airbrush. So it's the pants we are doing just a coat. As you can see, I use masking tape like this, okay, to cover the cape. So let's go and work this. So the first color, it's going to be the leather brown for this. Remove this. Like this, you see. Let me see. Well, we got some area here on the front. Now I'm going to the inside. With yellow and white for the mix. If I use the wet palette for this technique, it's not going to be good because you don't have so much control on the water you have there, okay? So like this you can have the control. Okay, so guys, thank you very much. Of course, if you have any question, just send to me and your WhatsApp or Patreon, and of course on Facebook. Okay, bye guys.